So apparently, if I had enough rupees, then I could buy all of... Something wrong?
Yes.
What is it?
My chest feels so boxed in. Like I have Asthma or something.
Did you say asthma?
Sorry, I meant to say asthma.
I know. Maybe this should help.
Thanks, but I think I actually need my inhaler.
Alright, then where is it?
I think it's in the cabinet in the room.
Alright then. Now then, let's talk about something. And that is none other than asthma or asthma. Let's think about the rule. When the sounds t and come together, they form the single sound known as th. However, in this word, the th is a silent guard. To know what a silent guard is, you must consult this video right here. It's on the channel. But nonetheless, let's just ignore it even exists. It's simply just standing there, looking fancy. In fact, it's an imposter. Meaning that the correct pronunciation would be asthma or asthma, as the British say the former and the Americans say the latter.
Thank you. I see. So what you're trying to say is there's no th in asthma.
Precisely.
Don't let your spelling choke your voice. Did that help you? Don't be shy. Tell us in the comment section below, and don't forget to comment, like, share, follow, and we'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Peace, everyone.
Mwah.
Disclaimer, I do not actually have asthma.
This was all an acting purpose.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.